This is a blizzard. Now I don't know if you guys can see how fast the snow is coming down. But it's pretty windy out in this blizzard. Okay, this is a blizzard. We are under a blizzard warning, and it's spring. It's April. We shouldn't be having a blizzard. It's already spring, but we are having a blizzard. Let's check and see how deep the snow is. Now I'm getting snow on my screen. See, I'll check right here. Look at that. Look how deep that is. I see grass. See how deep that is. Oh my God, that's cold. Here comes the wind. Here comes the wind. Yeah, this is definitely a blizzard. Oh my gosh. Why do we need this blizzard?